Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to make French fries in the air fryer. Let's do it. I've washed and scrubbed my potato. Now I'm going to use my Kutt knife and I'm going to make slices. Now I'm just patting the insides of the potatoes dry. You want your potato wedges to be about the same size so that they cook properly. Now I'm going to spray them with olive oil cooking spray. Put some pink Himalayan salt on them. And a little paprika for color. Now let's put them in our frying pan. Now we're going to spray this side and season this side. Another way you could do this if you want to do a lot of potatoes is take like a gallon Ziploc bag, put a little olive oil in there and seasonings, put the potatoes in and rub them, shake them up really good. But I'm only doing one potato today, so this is an easy way for me. I've set it on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 minutes, and we're gonna let it do its thing. Every few minutes we wanna open it up and shake our fries around. I'm gonna spray a little more olive cooking spray on them. It's time to check our French fries. Those look amazing. Let me see if it's as crispy as I'd like them to be. We won't be eating that one. I think I want to let them go just a couple of more minutes and then we'll test them again. We added 3 more minutes to our fries, so let's check them out.
They're hot, but they're good. Very crispy on the outside and soft on the inside.
Just the way we like them. And I just want to say happy birthday to my darling. Today's his birthday.
Thank you.
I love you. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit that like button. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.